Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about the areas and fences. As part of the chapter fields and fences, we are going to learn about the area calculations and what are the lengths of boundaries. So this is the part 2. The above thumbnail is showing the topic, what topic you are going to learn in this, and what syllabus and what is the name of the chapter. Okay, so don't forget, if you are a new subscriber or if you are a new viewer to this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon and then click the like button and share button. And this is the below thumbnail is the one which is introduction to this chapter. There I explained how to calculate the area of different shapes, okay, with the help of a unit square. So we will quickly go into the topics or topic of our today's session. So fields and fences, 13th chapter, and this is the QR where you can download this PDF. I have downloaded this PDF from that website ePathshala. This, with the help of this QR code, you can also download that, and after downloading it, then you have to read from that. So these fields and fences shows there is a farmer called Rahmat. He grows wheat in his field. So on one day he is thinking like this. I need a fence around my field. Okay, so after thinking like that, what did he do? Then I need to buy a fence. So how much wire I should buy? Okay, so I need a fence around my field. How much wire should I buy? That is what he is thinking. So this is his field. His field is in a different shape, which is neither in a square or nor a rectangle, but this is in a different shape. So Rahmat, he want to grow wheat in that. He grows actually wheat in that field. He want to protect that crop. So in order to protect that crop, he requires a fence. Okay. So how much wire should I buy is the question here. Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary of the field. So can you find it from the picture? See the length of each side written near it. So there it is. The measurement is in meter scale. It is not in centimeters. So it is in a meter scale because the field is huge. So 9 meters is the length here, and 15 meters is the length here, and 21 meters is the length this side, and 9 meter is the length here. Okay. So totally, if you add all these things, then you will get the boundary. So he is also telling the same. The boundary is 54 meters long. Okay. So he went to the shop and he purchased a 70 meter wire for the fence. Okay. So there is a wire which is available in 70 meters, a bundle. So that bundle he brought it and he kept it for this wheat crop. Okay. So how much will be left in this? Out of only 54 is required, right? So how much will be left? So the fence requires only 54 meters long, but how much is left? How much is left is given by, you have to subtract 70 minus 54. Okay, so that is very simple. So if you do that, then you will get it. So how did you get that 54? It is 9 meters plus 9 meters plus 15 meters plus 21 meters. It will be equal to 54 meters. You already know it. So how much will be left? That we are going to see in the next slide. So I should also do the same. Ganpati is telling the Rahmat, I should also do the same. Can you give me the wire that is left with you? Okay, so he is asking Mr. Rahmat to give the wire that is left with him. Oh sure, why not, the Rahmat is telling. How much wire did Rahmat give to Ganapat? Okay, so it is again 70 minus 54. Okay, 70 is the total length of the wire which Rahmat purchased, 54 is used, and 16 is the left. Okay, so 16 is the answer. Ganapat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field, but he needed to get more wire. That wire, whatever the Rahmat gave, is not sufficient. It won't come even in one of the edge. Okay, so what is the total requirement for this Ganapat? So he has to go and purchase definitely some more wire apart from whatever the Rahmat given. That is not at all sufficient, so he has to purchase more wire. So how long is the boundary of this Ganapat? We will calculate that and we will see. So it is 66 meters. How did you get the 66 meters here? Because the total 15 plus 15 plus 9 plus 18. Okay, so 18 is missing here. Something went wrong. 18 is this part is 18 meters. Okay, so 18 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 15. So totally it will be 66 meters. So how much more wire will Ganapat need for his field? It is 66 minus 16. 16 is given by this Rahmat, right? So 66 minus 16. So he need 50 meters. So he is purchasing only 50 meters. Now, so let us check why that. Yeah, here it is. You can see. Can you see that 18 meters is the thing which is mentioned there? So let us go with a slideshow again. Yeah, 66 minus 16 is equal to 15. That is what is the wire which Ganapat needed for his field. Now, practice time. So let us practice a few more questions. How to calculate the boundary sizes, and we have to tell which is the longest boundary among all these four. The first one, which is very clear, that you have to add the four sides, then you will get the boundary. So 6 plus 15 plus 24 plus 15 is equal to 60 meter. Okay, same thing repeats here also. You have to add all the sides meters, like 9 meters, 6 meters, 3 meters, 6 meters and 12 meters, which give you 42 meters. And here also same. So there are only 3 sides, 15 plus 12 plus 9, you are going to get 36 meters. Okay. And the last one, it is having totally there are 6 sides, but each side is a reflection. Like you can see there is 15 meters, 15 meters. Okay, here also 15 meters and 15 meters, and 9 meters and 9 meters. So if you add it on one side and multiply it by 2 also, you will get the answer. But if you add all the sides, then you will also get the answer. So I have added all the sides for you and I got it as a 78. So 60, 42, 36 and 78. So which is the longest boundary? Do you think? It is 78. This is the longest boundary I got. Yeah. Now comes the second activity. Here it is. Chandu's father, he is considered as the youngest young old man in his village. At 70 years of age also, he is fully fit. So do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around this field. This is Chandu's field and he is Chandu's father. So he is going on his own field for morning walk. Okay. every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. So let us calculate what is the boundary of Chandu's field. So it is looks like a rectangular. Okay, so for a rectangular, 2 sides are equal and the other 2 sides are also equal. Okay, so as I said just now, you can take the formula. You can add 2 sides and then multiply it with number 2, you will get the answer. Otherwise you add all the 4 sides, then you will get the answer again. Okay, so in this case you can see what is the procedure I followed. I followed that I have added 2 sides, okay, and I have multiplied it with 2. Okay, so I made it 2 into 100 plus 150. So there I got it as is equal to 500. So I got 2 into 100 plus 150. 100 plus 150 is 250, into 2 is 500 meters. So I got it as 500 meters. So 4 into 500 meters, which is equal to 2000 meters is the answer, and which is also equal to 2 kilometers. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to how much? We know 1 kilometer is equal to, so let me write it here. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so from this can you write what is 2000 kilometers is equal to? So 2000 meters, sorry, not kilometers, 2000 meters is equal to, it is simply 2 kilometers. Okay, so what you have to do here is just remove the 3 zeros. After the 3 zeros is removed, this meter will become kilometers. Okay, so this K is the representation of a kilo, so 1000, so 2 kilometers you will get the value like that. Okay, so this is how you have to check the what you can say, the conversions from one metric to another metric, meters to kilometers or centimeters to meters, like that. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Ganpat's wife works in a tailor's shop. She has to fix lace around the tablecloth. She bought a 100-meter roll of lace. Look at the picture of the tablecloth and tell how much lace is used for one tablecloth. So can you see this? This is the tablecloth. It is in rectangular shape. Okay. So same this formula only we will apply here also. 1 meter 50 centimeter is the length and breadth is 50 centimeters. Okay. So otherwise I will show you with the mouse pointer. 1 meter 50 centimeter is the length. Okay, and then 50 centimeters is the breadth. So how much lace will be used in 3 such tablecloths? Okay, so answer is 4. How did you get the 4? We will see the calculation here. So 2 into 1 meter 50 centimeters this side plus 50 centimeters. So I am not doing nothing here. I am adding. It is just like adding all the 4 sides. Okay, but because they are repeated, we are doing multiplication. So inside the bracket you add 1 meter plus 50 centimeters plus 50 centimeters, it will become 2 meters. Okay, because we know 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So here we have 100 centimeters. Okay, this is the 100 centimeters we have. So total 2 meters inside. 2 into 2, 4 meters. Okay, so next, how much lace will be used in 3 such tablecloths? Each tablecloth is taking 4 meter, and she is taking into 3. 4 into 3 will give you 12 meters is the cloth, lace required for 3 tablecloths. How much lace will be left in the roll? So she brought 100 centimeters roll. 100 minus 12 is 88. Okay. So this is how you have to calculate the, what you can say, how much lace she requires. Okay. So quickly shall we go for a recap. Today what we learnt is we have seen Rahmat's fence. Okay. So in Rahmat's fence, he thought of purchasing a fence, and he purchased some 70 meters for 54 meters required boundary of his field, and he gave it rest of the things to Ganapat's field. Ganapat's field is around 66 meters, so he requires 50 more meters. Okay. And then we have seen different boundaries, types of boundaries, and first boundary we got it as 60, second boundary 42, third boundary 36, and fourth boundary 78, and this is the longest of all. And Chandu's father is going for a walk on Chandu's, across the Chandu's field. He is taking 4 rounds. Okay, so 4 into that particular boundary of that field is 500 meters. 4 into 500 meters will become 2000 meters. It is nothing but 2 kilometers. Okay. So, and Ganpat's wife, she works in a tailor shop. She purchased 100 meters roll of lace, and then she is going to check how much is required for this particular cloth which is shown here. It is 4 meters. Okay. And then for such 3 cloths it is 12 meters, and how much it is left is 88 meters. Okay. So here we'll stop today, and we will meet in the part 2 soon.